Now what we can do, select this low layer and create a duplicate copy of it by pressing Ctrl J or Command J, and let's turn off the first layer, which is the low original layer, off for a moment. Why we are doing that? Because we are going to work on this layer so that in case we ruin this image somehow, we don't lose our main work. Okay, so this is a non-destructive way of doing it. Now let's right click and select convert to smart object. So we are going to basically apply the smart filter on this layer so that we can change that later on if we want to. So now go to the filter, select blur and choose Gaussian blur, and here select the radius whichever you like. If you increase it, you can see that you get the very smooth skins, result which you want. Alright, let's take it maybe around little bit more. Let's take the radius of around 10 over here. I know it is way too much, but don't worry, we are going to fix that. Press OK, and now you can see over here, just because we have applied this filter on a smart object, we have a smart filter layers available to us. So if we want, we can change it by just double clicking it, and we can change the radius anytime we want. And if we would have applied that on the simple layer without the smart object, then we would not be having this layer, and that would be a destructive way of doing it. So now let's create a black mask on this layer. We want to hide this layer completely. So what we can do, we can press Alt or Option and select this layer mask icon, and that way it is going to hide the entire layer from the visibility. And now we have only visible layer, and that is the high pass filter or the high frequency filter. So now make sure you select the mask, and now take the softest brush from here. Make sure it has 0 hardness, opacity to 10%, flow to 100%, and now with the white color, keep on painting on the area of the skin. If you want, you can increase the opacity to 50%. Okay, and keep on painting over the area. And if you feel that it is way too much, then you can always lower down the opacity to back to 20% or 30%, whichever you like. And if there is certain part of the image which needs more working, you can paint it again and again, or you can paint it with 100% opacity. Okay, so let me lower down the effect and quickly do this. Here we don't want that much of details or that much of smoothness, so we'll lower down the opacity to 20%. So we are going to increase, or we are going to paint again and again on the area where there is lots of problem. But something which is already smooth, we do not need to touch that. So there will be painting very low or with the low opacity. Okay, and now let's paint a little bit on hands, on these fingers, so that we get these things also smooth. Alright, and once you are finished, you can see the result by turning it on and off. It has made our skin very flawless. Thereafter, you can do one more thing. You can create a new layer above it, and with the spot healing brush you can remove the spots like this. Okay, the spots which are visible, or the some kind of a dust or things which you want to remove, you can do that also. So that's it guys, it was a frequency separation. It was very easy and simple. And if you like today's episode, please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you have any question in mind and any comment or any thought you want to share with me, you can share that in the comment section below. So thank you so much. See you in the next episode.